Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture or photo on Umidigi X, at the first you have to go for the settings, next find system, go for the languages input, select virtual keyboard, tap on the Gboard and then move for the theme. When we are here, we have to click right here on the plus. Right now we are able to pick picture that we want to set up. I will go for this one. Here we can change part of the screen of the picture, click next. Right now we are able to set up transparency. I will go for the 71%, and we can also turn off key borders if we want. Click apply, and as you can see right now, that's how our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.